What a weekend! The crazy rain and intense wind on Saturday, May 24th of 2026 left us without power for nearly 15 hours. Definitely a reminder of how important it is to be prepared during severe weather. Grateful for safety, patience, flashlights, candles, games, and everyone working hard to restore the outages. We purchased a Blue Eddy Elite 30 V2 portable power station. That way we are prepared for the next power outage. Hope everyone stays safe through the storm. Did anyone else lose power for hours too?